All right, so we got the Opal 2. It's not that bad. There's a good shape outside. The whole point is squeaks. Squeaks really bad. It's like screaming. It's just because wasn't taken care of. It wasn't cleaned. Look what I found. I found all those water lines. It's completely clogged. As you can see, it's all white buildup in there, and it's all dry. Plus, see the dust on the coil. Shouldn't be like that. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna remove all of those water lines, clean it, put it back. I'm gonna clean in here as well. As you can see, there's a buildup. It's not really, you can see because that's the white and white, but I can see that. We're gonna completely clean those pipes, clean all the dust, clean the fan. It's really nasty, and we'll see how it goes. Stay tuned. So we got all water pipes cleaned. That thing is cleaned as well. It was full of the buildup. So now we're just gonna clean the coil. Just take your old toothbrush you don't use anymore. This is the best tool ever to clean it. And just go up and down, just like that. And then just take your vacuum cleaner and suck all that dust out. Alright, so we got everything taken apart. All of that. Everything is cleaned. I cleaned the fan, I cleaned the coil, I cleaned that thing over there. It was all in dust and grease or whatever is that. As you can see, all water lines are clean right now. Everything is cleaned. Nice, empty. Tools you need for all of that, just this. Nothing more. That's how easy it is. Now we're just gonna put everything back. I'm gonna put water in it. I'm gonna try to make the ice, and we'll see if that squeaky screaming noise is gone. Stay tuned. All right, we got everything back. Guys, just don't forget, zip everything back. Zip, zip, zip. Whatever was zipped, just zip it back. Everything is cleaned. As you can see, the fan is cleaned. It's right here. Nice and clean, out of dust. Everything is cleaned. Now we're just gonna turn it on. Oh, we're gonna clean this area as well. And we're just gonna pour water in it. And we're gonna let it run and see how it goes. Alright, so everything is back in place. We're just gonna test it right now. Water is in. It's not, that is nonsense, you know, to put everything back before you're gonna test it, because you never know. You might gonna need to take everything apart again to fix something if it wasn't done till the end. So let's roll. Just gonna wait for the water. It's gonna show up. Should be in any soon. By the way, if you're gonna run the machine, make sure there is no kids around who's gonna mess around the machine and gonna touch some wires and something and gonna get hurt. So just make sure you do all that in a safe place. There's no kids around, no other people who have no idea what's up with all of that, and they can get hurt. So I'm gonna wait for the water right now. I'm gonna put the bin back. I'm gonna wait for ice. I'm gonna run it for at least half a day. Make at least one bin of ice, 3 pounds of ice. just to make sure there is no malfunction anymore with that squeaking thing. And here the water comes, should come more. You want to spend more time and clean more properly, you have to take all of that apart, pull out the auger, clean everything inside there, and put everything back. So if you want a mess like this, but since all the water lines are cleaned right there all the way to the auger, it should be good, because you can see the water comes in. Whatever is left inside there is just gonna drop it down here, and we're gonna filter out. So let's put that thing back in, and we're gonna wait for a nice. Well, and that's it, folks. It's up and running. Makes the ice nice. No noise, no squeaks. That's all it takes. Just an hour or so to get it cleaned. I'm just gonna put everything back when it's done, clean it outside, and voila, second chance.